Sit up down the road. Do you want to go upstairs or?
Yeah. We'll see more, won't we?
Then if you get too cold, you can always go down. Get plenty in there. At least these are downstairs, so if you do get cold.
Thank you.
Right. Where do you want to sit? Sit right back at the top, eye up. Or... Do you need a life jacket?
Jesus. Probably. Yeah, we can go up here, Jess. Wanna go up here?
Just give you this second.
Yeah.
So it's room for middle arch.
Oh yeah.
This is fascinating, isn't it? Might be waiting to be what's pulling it back.
Jesus, don't say that.
What's up there? Cock and bottle. Get that in video, man.
Well, you don't just get a drink in there, but
Yeah, cock in a bottle.
I hope we're speeding up a bit now. We're on a boat ride, everybody, in York.
She's gonna jump.
Oh, we're going under the bridge
We're on the River Ouse.
on the River Ouse.
You start watching Day Go By. You're away from it.
Oh yeah? Which one? No. Wave to him, Jazz. They might wave back to us.
She's smiling her head off there.
Oh.
She's loving it, just sat there.
How can you see that from here?
Oh,
Oh,
you
somewhere.
can sit up there and have your dinner.
Oh yeah? Few ducks. There you go. Jesus Christ. Ah.
How are you going to do it though?
Don't forget to put your head down. Yes, you're on candid camera.
I can't put stood up and
Friends. When Roy sent an announcement, we really get to our rooms.
Buffet, man. Get buffet.
Don't tell Mark. Now you want to go to buffet.
Life rings that we found around the vessel, as well as life jackets that we found throughout the vessel. In the case of emergency, we will show you how to put these on. There's also an emergency exit, clearly marked downstairs. And in the case of any emergency, please follow crew instructions. Thank you.
They've had enough, they go in now, look. Jeez.
Too cold. If you're too cold, let me know. I can deal.
So,
How's it got a blanket?
I'll be your
Fetched
skipper
a
today.
blanket.
Pyjamas, I can put them over the leg.
Ross and Dave. They'll be tying the ropes and serving behind the bar.
Jesus.
So I'm going to pop the microphone down for a little bit. Let you guys get used to the feel of being on the boat and being on the river. But then I'll bring the microphone back up and give you guys some
Just
commentary.
chatting, man.
So I'm excited to see the fun facts about the city of York.
Thought it would be low. Oh. We're not going to go backwards. We are going sideways.
Should be to a 40. You'll be able to turn this thing
I
on.
don't think. It looks lovely and sunny though. Up there now. There's one coming down now, another boat.
I had to make the own, you see.
I think you might have done it before. What do you reckon? Jesus.
Are we going out city centre?
I don't think so.
Nice to get a boat to city centre, wouldn't it? It does look cool with all the earrings and that, man. Very young and
Oh,
hip, you know.
right.
If you look to your left, you'll be able to see Kingstave. This is where you boarded the boat. Kingstave is known as a tourist spot for its scenic views, historic pubs, and over 400 old buildings. But it wasn't always known for tourism. It used to be known for trade. As Kingstave was once a bustling medieval wharf and central to the success of York's economy. Goods like wine, corn, flour, salt, and fish were floated in, as well as coal and timber, to keep fires lit and the city ever expanding. So you could say that Kingstave was instrumental in making York the city you see today. People often ask what stave means. Well, it's a combination between the Viking word for landing and the Old English word for bank.
God, that sun is gorgeous, isn't it, when it's out?
Coming up on your right, the building with the wide balconies is the Bonding Warehouse.
What?
Those been wandering around our city
It's
today
a Bondi,
might
buddy.
have noticed our many ghost hunts. Well, this is said to be the site of a haunting. The story goes, a man who faced a cruel rejection threw himself into the river here. And some say they've seen his ghost on
Alright,
these
it's the
very
Bondi
balconies.
warehouse.
This once warehouse is now £1 million apartments. So I
Wow.
guess the ghost got a good deal in the end.
Jesus. Wow. Open top bus.
Our next bridge
that's
coming
very
up
cool, that.
is Skeldingett Bridge.
Yeah,
Now
just
that might
like
sound
it.
like a funny name for a bridge, but it has an unusual picture with that name.
Yeah.
With Skelder, coming from the Viking word being for shield maker, or the less exciting word shell. Gate, coming from the Viking word for street, and bridge, coming from the English word bridge. Before this bridge was here, a reported 800 people a day used to cross the river by ferry. And when the bridge was first made, it was a toll bridge all the way up until 1914, when the bridge became